Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Kenny here. Glad to see you guys. Thanks for tuning in. So today's video is just going to be a real short, quick one. I was out flying around out front for a few minutes. It's just some goggle footage. I didn't even put the GoPro on it. I didn't want the weight, but yeah, I was just flying around out front and did some low flying and did some pops over my house. It looks pretty cool. You guys will like it. So let's check out that footage and then I'll see you at the end of the video for an outro. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Here we go. Roll that beautiful footage. Alright guys, what do you think about that? That wasn't long, that was just a quick video. I was flying the iFlight nozzle out front. I broke one of my propellers, banging it off the ground like that when I was skipping on the ground. I was trying to fly low. I did several things in that video. Trying to get my skills back. I know I was a pretty good flyer there at one point in time, but I still get the jitters pretty good now, so I gotta still knock off the rest of the rust. Got my goggles and my controller there. I still got one more battery. I was gonna replace the propellers and do one more rip on this video. If you guys want to, check it out, and then we'll probably just roll it on out. You guys make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later fam, love you guys.
It's true, I heard it from a childhood friend. had it all solved. I was never your choice, but I hope you're happy. I hope you are happy. When I long ago you told me you would not succeed, not like your friends with super wealthy families. Tears in your eyes, you set the bar kinda high. Would do anything to forget your father's good